Hi everyone, hi everyone, hi people, hi everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy weekend, happy weekend. Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you for joining. Happy weekend, guys. Good evening, how you doing? Happy weekend, happy weekend. Thank you for joining. Now they hear me. Thank you for joining. Thank you. God bless you. Happy weekend. I dey hear you. Wow. Meaning say the network you don't dey okay. Meaning say you don't dey okay. Oh. Please join it, guys. Join in. As if this one they hear me, I thank God. Join in. How you dey? If you are looking for a partner, you're ready to settle down. Please share the video, guys. Share the video. If you are looking for a partner. Hello? Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, ma'am. Long time.
No see. Hello, I say long time no see. Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. How you dey?
I dey fine, ma. And you, ma?
I dey fine.
How is family?
Thank God.
Okay. Hope you are not forget me, ma.
At all. I not forget you.
Okay. Okay. Happy day. I dey follow you.
Okay. I not forget you.
Yeah. So, no anybody from outside country
That day, oh,
need a guy from Nigeria.
that day. We ask them whether they need. Yes, so that day. That day.
Uh,
Mm.
Oh, I know. See them. You call them for online for Facebook now. I don't see you called those.
You don't see say I called them. Eh?
Hello?
You see,
I know you called those.
you say?
I think I know hear those ladies' name. You are called.
Okay, I did live video. I did live video. Now come join me, may you hear them. Come join me, you share, me you like. You go hear the lady now. Okay? I did live video. Come join. Network is not good. The ladies when they dey outside country. May you come join me, you listen to them. Okay, God will bless you. So if you just dey come, share this video. So anyone when ask of you, you go hear now. If you just dey come, like and share. If you are looking for a partner, if you want to call in, you can call. You can call. Please share this video if you come across this video or you dey here. Give the video love and like. So may I call this sister when I hope una dey hear me. Oh. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hello, you dey hear me now?
I dey hear you.
Okay. So you say you not dey Facebook, but even though I send you link now for Facebook, how you want to see me?
Except that download Facebook.
You come up for Facebook.
Facebook send the people where they mix now. Especially Benin.
So you know say you be dey call me, you call me this evening, we be dey talk. If I can't tell you say I will call you back. So may you tell me so that I dey live video. I hope you not mind because na solution we dey find. I hope you not mind. Abi?
No.
Okay.
No.
So you can talk now. You can just explain everything the way when they explain it for me, okay? So you say you are looking for a partner and you get 2 children before.
Yeah. I have 2 children, but the government take them from me.
Yeah, how long now?
I'm looking for. It has been 6 years now. This year go make 6 years.
6 years.
So I've been alone.
The children don't grow now.
They don't grow. They be twins.
They be twins.
Yeah.
You born there for there. Now there you for born there.
Yes, they are Norwegians.
Where the father of the twins now?
He don't go back to Cameroon. So as a student. So since his student visa don't finish, don't go back to Cameroon. But the family of the boy live in Sweden.
Okay.
And Finland.
Okay, the boy na Cameroon.
Na from Cameroon. From Bamenda.
There you get paper. Why you not come give us the born twins?
Na me give them, and everything I get, they get. Now so I'm a citizen. Norwegian citizen.
But you don't tell 6 years now. What it can happen? God. Okay, you can't say you jam another person again. For no reason.
I jam a Benin guy in Germany. So as that one here say me they try if I fit send her invitation, but they say the person wey dey asylum.
Now they hear me.
I no go fit send her. I no go fit send her invitation to Norway because he still dey wait for answer. So as that one here say they won't share paper for Germany, I begin to do anyhow. Now I remove my hand from them, but I no fit for some. So this one when I come meet now, I don't know say na still December. He say he married before he get 3 children, but he and his wife not dey. All of a sudden I hear himself and another woman again when he get
network. Okay. Network. May I call her, may I call her back. Now wow. Something dey happen for this life. Wow. Hello.
the network.
Yes. So I dey hear you now.
So I don't see say all these men that they take advantage of if person too quiet and nice, so they difficult. I don't try, we don't give up since. We don't give up. I say no good make only person day alone.
This one when you say you get 3 children now, he with your wife still dey. They dey.
They go meet the children, and the another one when he still get 3 children for another man. The man run leave that one, Now he carry this one for head. Now they post for TikTok. Me wait 12 us day. He never do that one. So I was surprised. I don't know say this man don't marry. I be say plus me now you can't be 3. I say God forbid. I don't think I'll suffer another man problem.
But you see they call you.
So, if they call, if they call.
So you talk one thing, you say you get belle, you dey look for partner and you get belle. You get belle.
Yes, and in 6 months.
6 months pregnancy.
I don't know which man. So I don't know which man go come say he won't come carry person wey he get belle. So the thing get as he be. Really very shy.
Wetin wey the person wey give you the belle na him marry 2 wives so. Na the man wey give you the belle.
Exactly.
Na he get 2 wives.
Exactly.
But you see they call you. You see they call you.
They call.
As they call you now, na beg they beg or wetin you call they talk.
No, it's just the talk. I know say na because of the child I make they call. So.
But okay, the father of the pregnancy now, you see they call to talk to you to make sure you dey okay. But why you can't say you need a partner? This one when I want give you now, where you want stay?
No, the man they stay for Spain. Me they stay no way. This man so lives in Spain with the 2 wives. The way he don't marry. They are from Benin. So now only once he don't visit me. Only once.
He know say you get belle and the belle na 6 months. He know. Eh?
No.
Okay, the man don't know say you get belle.
No, he know.
Okay, he know
so
say.
I said, you kind polygamous. The thing is too much now. It's too much. So me, I just tired.
Hi.
So since I know the thing just weigh me down. Now when my younger one come show me the picture, I say, I don't know, say this man don't marry. Another one, you know, the women, them, they are 40 something. Now me come small for inside.
How many years you dey? How many years you dey?
Me dey 34. And these women are 40 something years. Huh?
Are you dey 34? But according to this man now, you ask her, I don't hear say you get 2 wives. You ask her.
I ask so. I ask. Is it this woman? Now when he and his ex-wife they quarrel. So now this woman rescue her, put for house. And the woman now come the help her. And the 2 of them take oath. I say a woman with another man children, 2 of una, and you say you dey look for partner, you come meet me. Why you not talk since? You not tell me. You not tell me. Now my younger one make me even know. I not even know. Just like say I just be mumu for where these people be.
So now you need a partner now for 6 months. But you go. But as you come answer now, he tell you say he go fit take care of you, no wahala. Abi na you no want make you born for polygamous family.
Exactly. My father not married 2 wives.
You know me. You know me, my sister. You don't already enter. You don't enter. You go just born this one so that he go come visit you. You born and finish now. So you get 6 months pregnancy, and the father of the baby see they call you. You know me. If na he say you no get power to take 3 of nana, he say they come visit you. Meaning say he get a baby. e get a bae when they visit you.
Spanish 5 years.
Eh?
He get Spanish 5 years.
Okay, he get Spanish of 5 years. So e no be say na because of a bae make e dey come or another thing. E get.
No.
So even though your junior brother or your senior brother for TikTok, they send you the woman say na so no be so, my dear sister. I for say me you first give am listing ear first. If it be say as e be say na you small pass na your age, if he pack, he come meet you now. So I know the reason why you dey find partner now. Maybe you come dey okay. Even though you dey find partner now, you dey find man now, but that man know say you get belle. So even though you born am now, that man na get am. Na that man na get am. So no nothing to reason say my father. Just leave your father. Your father not live his whole life. During the time of your father, that time, they no dey see iPhone 15. iPhone 15 not dey that time. So now everything don't change. Everything don't change. So now so during the time of your father, na bicycle they go market. Anything when they just see for backyard, they just do am. They know they too much they find tomatoes, all those things. But not be the life you dey now. You na Europe you dey. Everything change. If you dey want live the life of your mother not marry 2 husbands. Meaning say you go back to village, automatic village, so that you just start the life for there. So this one na Europe. No say anything wey person see am now. E get one this thing when you first dey think, and e children twins for that matter over 6 years now you no see am. Husband they don carry am go Cameroon. So now another one come na e give you belle. Even though e get 7 wife, na you be 8. E no deny am. No be because of a bae say make am say e wan come. If he dey visit you, if it be say you born, he go come stay with you to massage your body, dey with you. So you first born first, make you know how e dey. Don't let anybody change your mind. Say, sister, now this life we want live for Europe, my dear. No worry, God know why. Okay? So now you need to born first before we find partner. Let this man when get this 6 months belle now, make come take over. May anything when he see give you manage am. Okay, no your reason another thing. If you say you want find man now, which man the belle don't shoot come out now? Which man want come now for 6 months now? Me, I'll come say I get woman for her. He want come visit you for the first time. Will come say belle shoot come out. You know good. So you fair wait first. As e be say the man say they call you, they give am listing ear. If you still get wetin they do, they work now. Abi the man they work. E dey work. At least you go fit see 100 euro. You go fit see 100 euro.
Since I know am 1 naira is 0.
Like how many months una know each other now before you get belle?
This December make 8 months.
8 months. So you never go Spain before. Na only in na come.
Na me go there first. So I go for April for my holiday. Me they work for hospital here.
Are you dey work for hospital? So, you even be nurse, abi wetin you be? Na cleaner you be, abi wetin you be for inside the hospital?
No, a cook.
You be cook?
Yes.
Why they can't help you carry children now? Abi they want you help you because no mother-in-law, abi no father-in-law. You dey cook, you be even nurse, you dey work for hospital. And wow. So now
for no reason, no good reason. They just I win them twice and they refuse to return the children. So I can't do much.
So when you go visit her for the April, you don't see any pikin run around. You don't see pikin.
They live alone. They live alone. He said the other wife now call police for her. So now he leave the house for them. He can go carry one.
Okay, meaning say the two wives not they live with them. As it they come visit you. Now so they go visit them.
So exactly.
Eh?
That they live on their own. Yes, that they live on their own. Then they the same Spain, they the same city.
How many days when you spend? You not see anybody when you come they tell you say leave my husband for me now. Do you see anybody like that?
No, not only in the state.
Now so.
No, myself not even know them.
Meaning say una many. So meaning say last now another person go still show.
Exactly. Now be my fear. So the thing just said I never see this before.
Una many. As e be say you not know them, they not know you. The one wey go come now you not go know am. So una go many.
At all.
Hey.
The thing you get as it be. Get as it be.
For the 8 months when you take friend and now, you even know where for come. You know a place for Bini. You know a place for Bini. You know the village where for come. You know am. Eh?
Yes.
Wahala no dey. So may you just let her take care of this pregnancy, may you born her. Even though you not marry her. At the end of the day, maybe you can't travel reach house. You go visit the family now. See use the children take visit, use the carry the pikin take visit her. So now so because now many. Two now, if they live alone, you come visit her. You not know them, they not know you. Now so you not go know them. No other one, that one not go know you. So now so. I no fit tell you now say leave her. Say me you find another man, but before you find another man, you need to born this pikin for her first. You need to born this pikin for her first. So now so. Now that one I go win the matter. Okay? So just dey call her, just dey call her, and I go dey talk. I no want make you think you know say 6 months pregnancy remain small. You soon born, not think not think. So they call her. If you be say see they call you, they check on you, my dear, see they talk to her. No say that time that be your time. All of now get time. Time when you take call you now your time. You see answer her. Okay, I beg. Okay, no worry. So before we find partner, you need to born first. God will deliver you successfully. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay now. Take care of yourself. Okay? Take care. Okay now. Take care. Okay, bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Hey, Chineke na God. This our sister. He need help. So if you come across this video, you pray for her for safe deliver. So he called me. She said she need a partner. And he can't go there to read the story now. At the end of the day, can't tell me say she get belle. So as she get belle now, somebody won't get belle. As thank God say the father of the baby, the father of the unborn child, you see they call her, they torture her. Fine, good. So now I tell her say may see continue. So you know me, no feel this time around, you no fit use the life of your mama. Say my mama not live life like this. My papa not live life like this. So, hello? 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 Hello?
Hello, good evening, ma.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
Happy weekend.
I wish you the same. Favor, you are welcome.
Thank you, ma. They just gave me a new phone yesterday.
Hey,
So
Ja.
thank God for everything. Before then, I go charge my phone for my neighbor stuff. So when they close now, make they give me my phone. They say they not see my phone. Now they find for 2 weeks now.
Now your neighbor can't give you new phone.
Because of the phone, I not wear since.
The phone give you fever?
My customer when he comes, ma? Yes, so and any of my customer when he comes up, and they use their phone. If I want post, they say make I not use their phone to post, but I just they see all with it do sometimes. So when I cry, I person just my brother and I will send his phone for me.
A whole you can't they cry. A whole mama G. You can't they cry.
I beg, you don't understand. Hey, God, you don't understand. I get the money.
Eja.
It is well.
It is well. It is well, my sister.
It's painful, but that person when he collect that phone, no better for him.
No worry. Don't better now. They don't send you phone. If that phone now, you know say not very well before. You already tell me say the phone not well. So now the person don't carry the gbese go. So now new one you can dey use now. Abi? So now new one you can dey use now. No worry. It now your load the carry. No just say you not well with her.
And it can't be the time be say you call me once.
No worry.
You call me and you post my name, all those things. Now they can't thief my phone. Yeah? Is it temptation?
Temptation not just dey. The phone not felt good before. The person won't carry and they not go even let her use. So not just swear for her. Leave her. Like they say carry. No worry. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay now. We thank God.
So I say they available.
Okay. No wahala.
Are they available?
I dey see am. I dey see am. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you. Amen.
Okay now.
I see they available. Happy Christmas in advance. So.
I wish you the same. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, bye.
Okay now. Okay, bye. This our sister say they available. Who be the lucky man? Comment. Who be the lucky man? This our sister say they available. Who be the lucky man? Comment and share. 44 years, single. They look for single guy. Who be the lucky man? Hello? Hello?
Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
Sorry, my name is Happy. I saw your number on Facebook.
Your name is Happy?
Yes, ma.
Abeg, comot for where that music e dey. Be like say music e dey their side. You don comot small? Abeg, if you call me, I know say nowadays everywhere dey groove because na Christmas. So you suffer shift to comot for where music e dey. Okay, may you no use your reggae disturb my this thing. Okay? So this sister be dey call me before. Please share this video if you just dey come. If you want to call in, you can call. Happy, in case you dey watch me, I say make you comot for where music e dey before you call me. So you just cut am. So after I finish live video today, may you no come go dey call me. So I want lis ten to you now. May you tell me. So if you dey Nigeria, you dey look for partner, you dey look for woman to settle down. This our sister when he call just now. He dey 44 years. You need somebody to settle down with. Okay? So if you need that, good evening. God bless you. Mr. Vito, thank you for joining. So if you need that, you let me know. And 30. Hello?
Hello?